Hi, I'm Elon Alonso, founder and program manager of Sunbeam Career Development. I pursued education to its fullest, but at the time nearing my completion, I began facing challenges to move from education to employment. I felt I didn't have the tools to be successful or the support system to make me feel really ready. Worst, I wasn't alone. Many saw their prospects as the same. This is where Sunbeam comes in. We are a learning and development organization with the vision of creating support systems as you transition from education to employment. And today, to create such a solution, we are seeking an investor to provide seed funding of $500,000 at 5% equity to push our online platform. 35% of youth are not in education, training, or employment. They lack access, offering, and alignment. Access to resources and opportunities to tap into to provide the needed skills necessary to triumph on their career paths. With the already limited resources available, there is a low impact since the offering is many times not aligned to the specific situations and challenges that youth face. More so, the needs of the 21st century workforce must be embedded in the learning and development of young people. The COVID pandemic has further declined opportunities for youth development, and there is a need for their empowerment since they represent 26% of our population in Guyana and are seen as the productive age for development now and for the future. Here is how Sunbeam becomes the solution to the problem. We surveyed 1,140 students in the Caribbean, and they felt that career development was necessary for them to become more employable and ready. We took these findings back to Guyana and tested the market with our Sunbeam Career Development Camp and found that 91% received career readiness training for the first time. We did Spark after and found that there was a need for specific programs aligned to the career aspirations of youth. We created Sunbeam Career Jumpstart and rolled out a suite of 7 courses and 2 hours of coaching. What we need is to market Jumpstart, develop additional courses. We have our eyes on 2 for this year. Develop an app to have our online platform in the palm of the hands of youth, making it accessible, and make these resources available to schools. What Sunbeam offers is an online and mobile opportunity for youth to access tailored courses and services at affordable prices and from anywhere and at any time. We are a supplement to education by offering skill development, a support system, and focused youth opportunities. We are helping youth to begin with the end in mind, eliminating their fears of not being ready and not having the resources. We are for youth and by youth. As an organization with a goal for sustainability and impact, our services are set to scale and offer unit economic profitability of 66.9%. Our strategies are set for us to grow by 10% by year, and we have set accountability systems through website invoicing and expense tracking. Our business will generate income by membership on a paid platform, that is our website, and will offer our e-courses at various costs with a mixed learning strategy embedded. We will partner with high-performing youth to create content and will be a source of economic development as they will passively receive a percentage of our sales. We plan to roll out coaching, resume, and job preparation, along with other services to upsell and provide a variety of offerings to our clients. Sunbeam specifically targets the Gen Z segment of youth, and our services are aligned to their values of affordability, accessibility, and youth centrism. To further support them, our platform is online and offers self-service and convenience. We plan to utilize mixed methods of social media marketing and direct marketing to meet conversion targets. In the industry, we are positioned in the middle of the market as our prices are more affordable as some of our competitors, and we do not have barriers of participant limit, location limit. Moreover, some of our competitors offer a small offering of courses. Our courses can be accessed from anywhere and at any time, and we specifically target youth. We will have a wide variety of courses catered to youth. This is a unique opportunity to ensure that youth can become employable and ready for their futures. They need the skills and support to be successful and to impact the development of Guyana. So come on board with Sunbeam and let us create impact. Let us create a solution to the problems of society and create opportunities for you.